Dadi সব কিছু বলে দিয়েছে. I don't know what to add to that. But I still remember 2006, Shorada was a secretary, and God bless his soul. বললো 22 Bengal জিতে এসছে. We need to get a few people 22 থেকে into Ranji Trophy. And that's when I first met Ridhima. Kotha kom, kaj beshi, that's always been your thing. To my irritation at times, and he knows what I'm talking about. We've had this chat a few times. I still remember NCA te Bangalore to Boshe, we've had that chat ki bhai ekটু kotha bolo. But having said that, I'm so glad that you finished your career the way you wanted to be and how it wanted to be. You've played the way jeta তুই খেলতে চাইছিলিস, কাজ বেশি কথা কম, and that's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to take it further from what Dadi said. Dadi said best keepers in India. I'd say one of the best ever that I've seen in the world, and she mentioned it. I'm happy to debate. I'm happy to debate on that. Batting, Rajda obviously mentioned, very underrated. Shopframe kotha to back foot nahi, but I don't think you've played enough overseas test matches to prove that. But that's about it. I mean, but still, having said that, jeta Dadi bolo, your achievements are absolutely brilliant. Khub kom lokeder erokom achievement thake, and your journey has been very, very inspiring. And I'm sure that will go on to inspire everyone, not just Bengali Baire. You've been that kind of a character. So, yeah, and also a big congratulations and thank you to the family, wife, parents, everyone. Jointo ekhane royeche. To make this happen, a family becomes very, very important. We know it. I mean, at times our better halves become single parents more often than not. But that's how it is. So congratulations to the family as well. So that's that, and a big thank you to CAB actually to organize this, to celebrate Ridhima and his career, what he's achieved over the years, and also, you know, I think he deserves every bit of it. So thank you CAB for making this happen. Riddhi, all the way best. Finally, I see you being active on the social media, coaching coaches. So that's good, because I still think you've got more than enough to contribute to the game, whether Bengali Baire, you know, Dadi Bollo, whether it's coaching or media, whatever you want to do. So congratulations on a lovely career, but it's just begun, as they say. 40, I mean, you start your life at 40. So all the best. Cheers.